how to fix missing text messages on your iPhone. So if you can't find a text message, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this. Now, first thing you need to do is load up the Messages app and click on the filter icon in the top right hand side. You can then press recently deleted, and first of all check to see if you've accidentally deleted the text. Now, if you can't find it from here, click on the filter icon in the top right hand side, and you can also try checking in spam as well. If it's still not working, head over to the home screen on your phone, and you'll then need to load up your phone settings. Click on your profile name at the top of this page, and then select iCloud. Click on See All next to Save to iCloud, and then scroll down to Messages in iCloud and click on this. Make sure Use on this iPhone is turned on, and if you see a button that says Sync Now, go and click on this. Now you'll need to wait for this to finish syncing. This can take a few minutes. Once it's finished, head back over to your phone messages, and you should now be able to see any missing text messages.